Just working on a MDF or an IDF rack relocation. So the guys, now we're just not working with a we're working with a small bundle right here, but here's the thing that I wanted to show you guys. What we do at Distant Copy is when you're moving an MDF or any of your server locations, you have to label things first. So let's just go over this small little review. It's a small factory right here, and we're going to go ahead and move this. So before we actually have to move any of this, we're going to have to label everything and make sure all the backbones and everything is tight. Okay, and here's the finished product. This is during the weekend, and what we did was we were able to bring out the fiber from its old location. We re-terminated the fiber, and then we kind of just cut out a lot of dead stuff. So what we have down here is also temporary UPC, battery backup. So what I like to stress to, it's not simply just yanking the cables out. It's making sure that we have the right ports. Now, here's an interesting factor. Remote IT sent us out this switch. It's given out the different subnet that they already had assigned. So we're switching out older equipment with new stuff. However, we have the technology and the training and the experience behind us to not just slap it on a rack. We stop, we test everything out, test the connections, and lo and behold, if we have a problem, we have the expertise again to help you troubleshoot it and resolve your problems. So we're saving you money on downtime and travel, and we'll just basically bend over backwards here at Distant Copy to help you guys out, and our main goal is to see you succeed. So this wraps up another IDF, or realistically MDF, rack server relocation.